Sterling, my old friend, I've come to walk your halls again. 'Cause Dennis Dutton softly creeping left a view book while I was sleeping. And the vision for Sterling to become the finest Christ-centered servant leadership development focused liberal arts experience in the Great Plains, that was planted in my brain, still remains amidst the sounds of Sterling. Head to class before the dawn, where on sidewalks watered like the lawn. Some are taking conditions, some are not. Some like it cold and some like it hot. Campbell. And at night I sit neath the Sputnik clock lightning rod and start to nod. I dream the sounds of Sterling, 125 years long. Let's hail our school in this song. Sterling, all hail to you, your name we love. But our name at first was actually Cooper. We had to change it 'cause it rhymed with pooper. Yet we still give ode as the Cooper poopers every hour near the showers. Flushing! You still have to yell that, don't you? Bathroom sounds of Sterling.
Babe, for a tribute to our 125th birthday, the last verse was full of crap. Got anything better?
Yeah. The next verse mentions the 125th celebration as well.
Good. I hope you cleaned it up a bit.
It's clean. For 125 long years, we've had dorm parties without beers. But that's okay because we still have fun. There's pranking panty raids and naked runs. Speaking of runs, who's best? Reach the new cafe in a blazing rush to get a Siberian slush. The sounds of mobs at Sterling. Every time you stop to pray, thank God for another day. A day at Sterling where your only care is the water, drink it if you dare. Yet despite our faults, we continue to look to Christ, our life and light. He makes the sounds of Sterling.